para maintindihan kita eh.
Do you know what I want to hear before I do?
Fresh FM. This is Fresh FM.
Your ultimate rewind of pop and slow jam. Spanning from 3 decades, from the 70s to the 90s. Only here at GV 99.1, your good vibes.
88.7 FM. 88.7 FM.
DCG FM.
Mas masaya, masarap ang birthday, anniversary, reunion, blowout sa Dagat Kusina Gubat Restaurant. Libre na ang sounds at live music by the famous Retroactive Band. Sasayaw at magsasaya na agad ang lahat sa Dagat Kusina Gubat Restaurant. Along Bypass Road, Barangay Masin Sur, Candelaria, Quezon. For bookings, please call 0998-300-2038. Ask for Marlon.
Palakasin ang immune system. Kailangan nating iwasan ang magkasakit. Mark Capsule, may nutrients na masustansya. Mark Capsule, pampalakas ng resistensya. Mark Capsule, punong-puno ng vitamina. Mark Capsule, food supplement na abot kaya. Maaasahan mong ika'y sigurado. Protektado na ang kalusugan mo. Kaya mag-Mark Capsule daily para always kang healthy. Mark Capsule daily, food supplement with vitamin C. Mark Capsule daily para always kang healthy.
Ikaw, anong kwentong Marcafe mo?
Nelia M. Castillo, 53 years old, San Pablo City. Dati akong taasin ng BP, bali naging level, magandang kilos sa katawan ko ngayon. Mga hindi pa nakakaato ng Marcafe na maganda sa katawan. Talagang aprobado sa akin. Number 1 talaga.
Ang Marcafe, ang kanilang tanging kakapihin. Hinding-hindi ka magkakamali. Subukan mo na rin ang Marcafe.
88.7 FM. DCG. Kay daling mahalin, kay daling gawin.
Mas masaya, masarap ang birthday, anniversary, reunion, blowout sa Dagat Kusina Gubat Restaurant. Libre na ang sounds at live music by the famous Retroactive Band. Sasayaw at magsasaya na agad ang lahat sa Dagat Kusina Gubat Restaurant. Along Bypass Road, Barangay Masin Sur, Candelaria, Quezon. For bookings, please call 0998-300-2038. Ask for Marlon.
Great Lab Mouth Oil ay ginawa upang tulungan ka sa iyong mouth care. Ito ay isang food supplement na mabisa laban sa singawa o mouth and lip soreness, denture irritation, at gingivitis. Ito ay pwedeng gamitin bilang isang throat gargle at kaya nitong ibsan ang pumutok ng labi at maiwasan ang bad breath. Sa paggamit, maglagay lamang ng 2 hanggang 3 patak ng Great Lab Mouth Oil sa iyong pipig at patagalin ito sa loob ng 10 minuto bago lunukin.
Another product of Great Lab Pharmaceutical from the makers of HP Liniment. Epektibo na, affordable, quality products pa. Available at Carlos Superdrug, TGP, Disap Members Drugstores, Groceries, Shopee at Lazada. To God be the glory.
Naku po, Tulume, wala ka na namang kinita. Tuklap at butas ang bangka mo. Paano ba naman kasi? Napakahinang klase yung binibili mong marine plywood. Ang sabi ko, Santa Clara brand marine plywood ang bilhin mo. Naku, ikaw talaga.
Paano naman akong makatitiyak na genuine Santa Clara brand marine plywood ang mabibili?
Ang genuine Santa Clara brand marine plywood ay mabigat kaysa ibang marine plywood at bawat piraso ay may markang sunog na nakatatak. Santa Clara brand sa gilid. Ang bawat piraso ng Santa Clara brand marine plywood ay may sticker na secret barcode number na di kayang gayahin ng ibang gumagawa ng fake. Kung may duda tayo, pwede rin nating i-text sa cell number 09-29007-107. Ang genuine Santa Clara brand marine plywood ay sadyang ginawa para sa dagat at tubig gamitin. Matibay na, sulit pang gamitin, lalong-lalo na sa dagat. Tulume, nakikinig ka pa ba?
Yes, mahal. Sa susunod sa mga genuine certified dealers na ako bibili.
Genuine Santa Clara brand marine plywood. Maaaring bilhin sa mga sumusunod na certified dealers sa Quezon. Lucena Marktown Incorporated, 042-373-0914. Tantuco Construction and Trading Corporation, 042-525-8888. At sa Marinduque, EDG Enterprises, 042-373-0915. Santa Clara brand marine plywood.
Ikaw ba'y may mayoma? Sulfur Plus Gold. Hypertension. Sulfur Plus Gold. Cyst. Sulfur Plus Gold. Glaucoma. Sulfur Plus Gold. Menopausal syndromes. Sulfur Plus Gold. Sulfur Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Sulfur Plus Gold. Gawa sa purong mangosteen, ampalaya, garlic, malunggay at spirulina. Sulfur Plus Gold. Epektibo sa anumang uri ng sakit. So stay fit and healthy every day. Mag-Sulfur Plus Gold. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa iyong lugar. Sulfur Plus Coffee Mix.
Ako si Janelle, gusto ko talaga ang Santon Plus Coffee Mix kasi hindi ako nakakaramdam ng palpitations. Di katulad ng dati kong kape, kaya mas hiyang ako sa Santon Plus Coffee Mix.
Santon Plus Coffee Mix. Kape na, gamot pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
This is 95.1.
Kiss FM.
Mula sa Media Capital ng Calabarzon, live and in colors. This is DCG Radio TV Network. Broadcasting from the top of 1022 DCG Tower 1.
That song is brought to you by
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving from Everest Appliances. Lamig!
Teka, yakapin kita.
Sarap ng feeling.
Everest Air Conditioner.
Han, ano ever best place in the world?
Siyempre, right here with you. Everest Air Conditioners. Clean, healthy air. Energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving from Everest Appliances.
Girl, utang mo.
Huh? Wala akong utang sa'yo, no?
Hindi sa akin. Ano utang mo sa tulog?
Ha?
Isang oras lang ng tulog ang kulangin. 4 na oras ang kailangan bawiin. Sabi ni Doc, yung kulangan ng immunity. Mag-swimming go every day. Tulong pampalakas ng immunity with proper diet and exercise.
Oo ba?
Ano nabili mo?
Ano pa? Eh di Immune Pro.
Immune Pro, from most doctor-prescribed vitamin C and zinc brand. Source IQVIA PMDI 20 years old and up. Second STEM 2024. Hindi na yan. Ascorbic acid zinc is the generic name of Immune Pro. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Umahang palakasin ang immune system. Magtiwala sa Pro. Immune Pro.
QVUV 99.9. Your coupon.
Fine Tunes on our W95.1 FM.
Be bold, be different, stand out from the crowd. The Southeast Asia's first ever all-in-one pop-up mobile gaming and entertainment truck for on-ground and online events has finally arrived. GG Truck Luzon. Effectively roll out your campaign with GG Truck Luzon through its innovative features, including a large LED display screen, amplified sound system, and unlimited Wi-Fi connectivity to help you entertain, engage, and enable your audience wherever they are. For inquiries, call 0920-976-8482 or visit GG Truck Luzon at the Laos Group Complex, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Celebrate 22 years of coffee, tea, and community with the coffee bean and tea leaf in any Laos Food Group branch. Collect 20 stamps and get the exclusive Everywhere tote bag. With every redemption, you support a foundation helping young women from disadvantaged backgrounds pursue higher education. Stamp your way to something meaningful today. Promo is available at Laos Group Complex, Robinsons, Pangasinan, SM City, Pampanga, SM City, Talabastagan, Laos Clark on his own, Clark Domestic Airport, and SM City, Baliwag.
Ang DWRW 95.1 FM ay may tuturing na isa po sa mga haligi ng komunikasyon, hindi lamang sa gitnang Luzon, kundi pati sa buong mundo. Dala nito ang hindi kayang makapagbigay ng impormasyon, balita, musika at iba pa.
Katuwang ng DWRW 95.1 ang Pampanga One Electric Cooperative o PELCO-1 sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon o anunsyo sa mga member consumers nito sa mga bayan ng Arayat, Candaba, Magalang, Mexico, Santa Ana at San Luis sa lalawigan ng Pampanga.
Malaki ang papel na ginagampanan ng istasyong ito upang may paalam sa publiko ang mga anunsyo at mahalagang kaalaman tungkol sa pagbibigay natin ng ligtas at sapat na supply ng kuryente sa ating mga kababayan at mga iba pang impormasyon tungkol sa PELCO-1.
Isang magandang pamamaraan ang radyo at internet upang maihatid sa madla ang nais naming ipaabot sa ating mga pinagsisilbihan. Bagay na isang mabuting kabalikat natin dito ang DWRW 95.1 FM sa layuning maiparating namin sa lahat ang mga impormasyon ng ating electric cooperative.
Ito po ang iyong abang lingkod, PELCO-1 Board President Darius Lacson Cunanan mula sa bayan ng Magalang na nagsasabing naway maging tuloy-tuloy ang serbisyo publiko ng DWRW 95.1 FM sa sambayanan at makamit pa ang maraming tagumpay sa mga darating pang panahon.
At ito naman po si PELCO-1 General Manager Alan Esguerra David at buong PELCO-1 family na bumabati ng
congratulations and happy anniversary to DWRW 95.1 FM.
Ito ay radio ad tungkol sa radio ads. Kung binentahan kayo ng sabong pampaputi, pati budhi mo puputi, pabubudol ba kayo? May Ad Standards Council Code na dapat sundin ng lahat ng advertisers. Bawal ang ganitong exaggerated claims dahil ang deserve ng consumers yung totoo, hindi panloloko. Kung may proof na ang sabon mo nakapuputi ng budhi, go! Idaan sa Ad Standards Council. Learn more at asc.com.ph.
This is the playlist for your heart and soul. Fine Tunes on RW 95.1 FM.
Sa Pilipinas, iisa lang ang radyo. Ito ang DZRH at Radyo Natin Network. Headline News.
Binigyan ng 48 oras o 2 araw ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP ang mga e-wallet para alisin ang link o anumang koneksyon sa kanila ng mga online gambling platforms. Ito'y matapos matalakay sa Senate Committee on Games and Amusement ang hinggil sa online gambling. Layo ng palugit na mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga e-wallets na maayos muna ang kanilang application at matransfer o ma-withdraw ng mga user ang kanilang pera mula sa gambling app. Dahil dito, simula sa susunod na linggo, wala na dapat mga link o icon ng e-gambling na makikita sa mga e-wallet. Para sa radyo natin Headline News, ito si Ella Nibensal. Magandang hapon.
Sa Pilipinas, iisa lang ang radyo. Ito ang DZRH at Radyo Natin Network. Headline News.
3 o'clock in the afternoon is the hour of great mercy. At this time, our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, died on the cross to redeem the world. Let us pray. You died, Jesus, but the source of life flowed out for souls, and the ocean of mercy opened up for the whole world. O fountain of life, immeasurable divine mercy, cover the whole world and empty yourself out upon us. O blood and water which flowed out from the heart of Jesus as a fountain of mercy for us, I trust in you. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Jesus, King of Mercy, we trust in you. We have just as one nation started a beautiful practice of praying the 3 o'clock prayer, and we hope you'll make it a daily habit for the forgiveness of sins and our salvation.
This is MBC Media Group's Radyo Natin Nationwide, a member of the KBP.
Radyo Natin Nationwide, the best music in the Philippines. Radyo Natin Nationwide.
JoyRadio.com.
I love Filipino music. JoyRadio.com.
This is Fiesta Extravaganza 2025. Sing, sayaw, saya. North America's biggest and Canada's largest Filipino-Canadian summer festival, spanning from 12 cities in 5 provinces, from coast to coast. Kicking off in Las Vegas on May 17, all the way to Montreal, August 24. The most star-studded celebration of culture, heritage, and Filipino pride. This is the festival series you can't afford to miss. Tara na! Maki-fiesta na! Fiesta Extravaganza 2025, the Festival of Smiles. Are you looking for a place to live stream your next virtual event? MCBN Broadcast Center can help you explore the world of online events. We offer a mid-sized green screen room to accommodate your next virtual events, equipped with state-of-the-art broadcast equipment and high-speed fiber internet. Experience a secure and uninterrupted live broadcast during the live stream. MCBN Broadcast Center also offers rental with our own broadcast facility for radio and TV, live streaming programs, and provides you with programming assistance. All these at a reasonable price. Located at 7894 Dufferin Street, Vaughan, Ontario, along Dufferin Street and 407. Give us a call at 905-781-6165 or email us at mcbngroup@gmail.com to book a tour. Pump up the volume,
You're listening to the best music on the World Wide Web.
We are MCBN. Pinoy Radio. We love everything Filipino.
JoyRadio.com.
Play all-out OPM favorites only on PinoyRadio.com. MCBN Radio, the official voice.
Get in and go to Maple Toyota, home of the 2025 Toyota Tundra. When you need a truck with the power to accomplish any task, go where adventure takes you with the 2025 Tacoma midsize truck, the most powerful, capable, and connected Tacoma ever. Both Tundra and Tacoma available in hybrid models. Visit the showroom for a test drive today. It's time to Toyota at Maple Toyota, near Canada's Wonderland in the Maple Auto Mall. Visit mapletoyota.com.
This is Fiesta Extravaganza 2025. Sing, sayaw, saya. North America's biggest and Canada's largest Filipino-Canadian summer festival, spanning from 12 cities in 5 provinces, from coast to coast. Kicking off in Las Vegas on May 17, all the way to Montreal, August 24. The most star-studded celebration of culture, heritage, and Filipino pride. This is the festival series you can't afford to miss. Tara na! Maki-fiesta na! Fiesta Extravaganza 2025, the Festival of Smiles. Your coolest office companion, blast talk, and more retro music. MCBN Radio.
Beautiful people gather round from sea to shining sea. Our hearts collide with the sweet old sound across the community. It's a place to love. The 70s, 80s, and 90s. A place of hope. A melting pot society. Listen to songs of yesteryears, where the voice of the community. Where the voice of the community. Where the voice of the community.
SSS Benefit o Loan Application? Enroll muna ang inyong disbursement account sa My.SSS portal para sa safe at secured benefit at loan proceeds payment. I-click ang e-services tab sa inyong My.SSS account, kunan ang mga hinihinging impormasyon at i-upload ang required documents in PDF o JPEG format. Malinaw, colored at hindi lalagpas sa 3M. Tandaan, ang pangalan ng i-enroll na account ay dapat kapareho na nakarehistro sa SSS. Para sa buong detalye, bisitahin ang www.sss.gov.ph o ang SSS social media account.
Hindi pa miyembro ng SSS? Mag-member na upang ma-avail ang mga benepisyo at pribilehiyo ng SSS. Mag-register din sa My.SSS portal sa SSS website.
Sa police station.
Sir, kakasuhan ko po yung kapitbahay kong si Toto.
Ano ang isa sa pamungkaso sa kanya?
Attempted rape, sir.
Baka pwedeng maayos yung dalawa yan. Total, hindi naman yata natuloy yung rape.
Yun nga, sir, Kaya nga ako nagdidemanda kasi hindi pa niya tinuloy.
Yun?
101.7. Your love just down. Your love Time is 5:33. Lifer Time is brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Learn when to stop.
Maglaro sa Bingo Plus app para tuloy-tuloy ang premyo at saya. At malay mo, mapanalunan mo pa ang jackpot prize sa first online live stream bingo sa Pinas. Maglaro sa Bingo Plus app para tuloy-tuloy ang premyo at saya. At malay mo, mapanalunan mo pa ang jackpot prize sa first online live stream bingo sa Pinas. Bingo Plus, bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Learn when to stop.
Saan tayo kain? Saan masarap? Siyempre yung affordable pamilya barkada. Sama-sama lahat. Chubi-chubi sa. Chubi-chubi para na. Kain na. Yummy, yummy, chubi-chubi.
Have fun with family and friends at Chubi Chubi in Park Mall. Your celebrations matter more with Chubilicious food. Sa Chubi Chubi, lingaw-lingaw, kaon. Open daily 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Chubi Chubi pa!
Yummy, yummy, chubi-chubi.
Chubi Chubi is now open at Island Central Mall, Mactan. Here's something from the Visayan Electric. Did you know your appliances still use power even when turned off? It's called phantom load. Unplug chargers, TVs, and other devices when not in use. This energy-saving tip is brought to you by Visayan Electric, now in its 120 years of advancing business and communities.
Anong paboritong breakfast at baon sa eskwela ni Junior?
Egg and Virginia.
Ano naman ang paboritong snack ni Daddy? Cheese and Virginia. Ano naman ang paboritong ulam ni Mami?
Siyempre, Virginia.
Teka sandali. Ano ba yung Virginia na yan? At di yata na-absent sa bawat meal.
Ano pa ako na yung Virginia Premium Hotdog?
Kasi tastier at meatier na high in protein pa.
Paborito ng buong pamilya. The hotdog, Virginia.
Virginia Premium Hot Dog. Another quality product of Virginia Food Incorporated.
An iconic club will soon open in Cebu. Midnight Entertainment Club. Enjoy a vibrant ballroom experience from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Male models, dancers, and performers will delight and captivate you from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Midnight Entertainment Club. Opening on September 19, 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. at City Times Square 1, Mantawi Drive, Dipolo, Mandaue City, Cebu. Midnight Entertainment Club.
Supercharge your payday shopping with SM Store's Super Smack Sale from August 15 to 17 and enjoy the following. Extra 10% off with your Smack or Smack Prestige. Extra 5% off plus 500 pesos SMEGC with your Security Bank credit card. And up to 50% off on select items. Valid at participating SM Store branches. Terms and conditions apply. Shop in-store or through a personal shopper. Only at SM Store, your everyday store. For DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 233138, Series of 2025.
96.3 W Rock. Like Claire.
you by Mega Finalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Every Wednesday, we're breaking all the rules. To some, it sounds peaceful when it's rowdy. A broken string is like a melody. Everybody out that devil is coming. Poison on his lips and his work. And rock songs become a remedy. Feels like it's all Y101 presents Wicked Wednesday. All your favorite new rock songs for 2 hours, hosted by Dexter. Wicked Wednesday. Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Only on your Red Hot Radio, Y101.
Great food, great music, cold beer, and cooler people with live bands nightly. Social Park in Ayala and Social Park Avenue in Mango, your one and only Music Central in Cebu. Drop by Social Park Ayala and Social Park Avenue in Mango. Let's be social.
Let's be social.
And be one today.
Tamborin ba ng buhay mo ngayon? Bakit di po sumali sa laro? Subukan natin kay liligaya. Kaibigan mo kahit saan anong oras. Madaming laro, sure ako na di ka mababagot. Yes, sir, so winter tayo. Yes, ma'am, so winter panalo. Sa ikot ng ruleta, kang magbago ang buhay mo. Yes, sir, so winter tayo. Yes, ma'am, so winter panalo. Sa pag-ikot ng litra, may chance na makuha ang swerte mo. Yes, sir, so winter tayo. Yes, ma'am, so winter panalo. Sa ikot ng ruleta, baka magbago ang buhay mo. Yes, sir, so winter tayo. Yes, ma'am, so winter panalo. Sa pag-ikot ng litra, may chance na makuha ang swerte mo.
Experience Sundays the Italian way at Il Primo, New Star, with flavors of Italy unlimited. Enjoy a generous spread of antipasti, pizza, pasta, and Chef Valentino's signature main course platter featuring juicy steak, flavorful grilled chicken, and savory Italian sausage. Pair it with free-flowing Prosecco and your choice of dessert, all for just 2,500 pesos net per person, minimum of 2. Available every Sunday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. until October 26, 2025. Reserve a table today by calling 63998-5396735 or visit www.newstar.ph.
Thank you, Carlo. It is now 5:57. Time check is brought to you by Turbo Food Supplement for Men. Get that satisfaction for more action. And if you happen to be traveling along Escario Avenue, well, it's going to be bumper to bumper if you're headed towards the capital area. So just hang in there. I think most of the roads today at this time are jam-packed. Just hang in there. We'll be having Solid Gold in a few minutes. So do hang on for that, the best of the 80s in the next 4 hours. And this has been Icky. Thank you for joining me for the afternoon drive. Again, happy anniversary, happy birthday to Tongara Ramen. It is their 10th anniversary today. You can get 10% off if you drop by and order their Tongara Ramen variety. It is authentic Japanese ramen. That is guaranteed. No artificial flavors, coloring, or preservatives. And ending the afternoon drive, let me give you Nelly. This is Dilemma. Friday Gold Rush on the Rhythm of the City, Y101.
Si Jackie Gini. Kamusta man atong sing alang diha? Okay ra gyud ug sayo pang lyrics. Okay ra kaayo og mag-invento og tono. Basta kay nalingaw ka, diba? Uy, andam na ang next song. kanta na!
Si Mang Kanor!
Bumubirada, tatlong pa sa okra.
Si Mang Kanor!
Kayang makalusot, isang gulay buslot.
Si Mang Kanor!
Malangoman, pero dili masaligan.
Ayog katingala kung musimang ang istorya. Kay siya, si Mang Kanor!
Sir, Mang Kanor is my name. Wakay salig nako. Kung wakay salig nako, mubilib ka nako. Sigurado mo daog ka karong umabot kay eleksyon. Kung saan og pasalig nako ni mo.
Sigurado gyud ka, Mang Kanor, nga mahimo kong konsihal, ha?
Sigurado kay ko, sir. 101%. Daghan akong gikampanya nga mga kandidato. Puros mi daog, sir.
Naay 50 milo. Ikaw na'y bahala na, ha? Mudaog gyud ko, ha? Ning salig gyud ba ako nimo?
Salig, sir. Mudaog jud ka pagkakonsihal.
Paghuman sa eleksyon, Mang Kanor, pildi man lagi ko.
Pagdamay ang kandidato. Sir, kumusta?
Kumusta? Ipasalig ba ka sa kuha nga mudaog ko, nga mahimo kong konsihal?
Oh, bitaw, usa man din ang forma ni mo, sir. Konsihal naman kayo na. Tapay pulo ni mo nga, kulang na lang mo at tinubunyag. Sa mo ang Mario, sir, daog ka dito sa akong pamilya, sa akong mga class of class, daog ka sa buha. Abot ka sa Tigas Mario, kung ibuto sila ni mo. Pero alam ka na ko, sir, konsihal ka.
Nga nung mag-ingon-ingon man ka nga mudaog ko, nga di man di ay.
Naaman ko na yung mga tikasan, sir, kabaw ko. Di ko kadawatan gitikasan ka, sir. Munang kami daw, pagkakonsihal. Di magani ka kadaog sa barangay kagawad.
Ha? Unsa na yung gisulti?
Ay, dili, sir. Sayang kayo konsihal na takakaroon. Kuha ka nalang gitikasan. O protesta yun ta, sir. Protesta yun ta. Kinalang pag-bis actor yun ako ang acting. Kaya hindi ko mabawi ang 50 mil.
Always there to see me through. You've never let me down. A friend who's always around. You've been with me through good and bad, through all the seasons in my life. You picked me up, you made me glad. Through all the good times that I've ever had, my only radio for life. With you I never have to see alone. My only radio for life. You are the best thing that I've ever known. Things may change, love may come and go, but one thing that I know. You are my only radio for life.
Easy as 1, 2, 3. Ang sweet talaga.
Para lamang ABC.
Pag MOR ang kasama.
Kapag may you and me, there's more.
Laging it's you and me.
More sa gabi.
Sa MOR, more sa gabi.
More requests, more great music from the hottest station on the net. FMC, Filipino Music Center.